Hello everyone. Welcome back to the lecture series of waste management. In this video, I'm going to discuss the second part of question paper discussion, which is happened in the year of June, July 2023. Till fourth question I have discussed in the first session, which you can observe in I button as well as description box. Once you watch that video, you can come back to this particular video. Okay, this is the second part of the video starting from question number 5. Okay, so anyway, we'll start discussing. Question number 5, which is a part of module 3. List and explain the important factors considered for the site location in the design of transfer station. Okay, here any 5 factor with a brief explanation that you are supposed to mention. That means 5 into 2. So in design of transfer station, you have to find out some factors: type of transfer station, direct storage, capacity requirement, okay, which is a small, medium, large, equipment and accessory requirement, environmental consideration, any other. So likewise, if you found some good important and essential factors, you can list out with a brief explanation. I request you to maintain at least 1.5 pages for 10 marks. Above 400 words, at least above 400 words above. Okay, above 400. If it is a typed, it will be 400. If your handwriting means at least 1.5 pages, you have to maintain. Okay, so that is mandatory. Okay, and try to underline the important points which is belong to your description. That is important so that examiner can easily identify. Question number 5B, discuss the detailed collection and storage containers in solid waste management. The different type of collection and storage containers. So here, what are the points you are expected to add? Yes, we are helping you out. Collection methods of solid waste management. Any 5 point about the collection based on the municipal and commercial collection. Storage containers, solid waste management, then the handling system, stationary containers. What is important of stationary containers? Okay, those things you can explain. The weightage is 10 marks. Okay, easily you can score it. It's not a big deal. Hope you can manage it. Maintain 1.5 pages. Above 400 to 500 words, you have to maintain for 10 marks. Above 400, that is mandatory. Question number 6. Okay, question number 6A. List and explain site selection factors for solid waste disposal site and any one of the sanitary landfill method. So this is regarding like site selection of solid waste disposal site. Okay, and you have to explain about any one of the sanitary landfill method. Question number 6A, 10 marks weightage. How will you answer this? I'm here to help you out. Explanation of any 5 selection factors considered for the solid waste disposal. So land distance of solid collection, climate condition, then site access, environmental condition. If such kind of factors, you can list it out with a brief explanation. With a sketch, any one of the method of landfill method, like a trench, then a depression method. So like that, you can go ahead with any one of the method. I think you can manage it. That is belong to question number 6A. If I talk about question number 6B, what is the question number 6B? Write a short note on leachate and its formation, landfill gas emission control. Leachate is nothing but, well, suppose you have identify a landfilling area, biodegradable waste has been disposed and you have maintained a certain layers. So after certain time, after certain duration, the liquid-like substance is coming out after the like digestion, proper digestion in the absence of oxygen. That liquid type material is generally called as leachate. Leachate has to be frequently removed. Otherwise, it will attract different type of flies, insects, etc. And things become burst. So leachate removal of leachate is very important point concerning the landfilling. Okay. Next is landfill gas emission control. Since you are disposing so many amount of biodegradable waste, this kind of animal waste, etc., it like a lot of decomposition that is going to be taken place. The decomposition will be taken place in the absence of oxygen. Such kind of decomposition is known as anaerobic digestion. So bulk amount of methane gas is going to be generated from that particular area. That has to be removed subsequently. In the sense, if you are retain those methane gas without any treatment, that may lead some fire hazard, something like that. So to overcome that, it is better to you make use of those gas emission through the large duct. Okay. Five marks are distributed for question number 6B. I think you can manage it. See, look at this. So about the leachate formation, landfill gas emission. Sketch, if possible, draw the sketch. That is also having weightage. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 marks. Question number 7A. Explain the following process: mechanical volume reduction, mechanical size reduction. Okay. 7A. See, it's very important question. If you see the first part of the module number 4, you can see this question. Stay like mechanical volume reduction. That means volume. If you are reducing the volume, how to reduce the volume? You have to increase the pressure. Okay, so basically Boyle's law, simple application of Boyle's law in fluids. Then stationary and movable method. So moving average method, advantages and disadvantages, very simple only. Okay, then mechanical size reduction, shredding. We can draw the machine diagram. Okay, some like cutter, different type of cutter shredders. Okay, any two method you can explain with a very easy, simple diagram. So that is belong to question number 7A. Hope you can manage it. Let me know if you have any doubts how to answer this. You keep in these points in your mind while answering. 10 minutes of your examination, it is better to dedicate it for like a planning. Question number 7B, explain briefly the components of separation techniques used for with the clarification. 7B, there are different type of air separation, magnetic separation. So like that, there are different methods. Okay, here you can see the magnetic separation. Okay, so like metal type of waste can be easily segregated. Clear? These type of things you have to explain. Whenever you are explaining with the diagram, you will be getting more weightage. That is why the technical subjects graph is needed, the diagram is required, even equations. Like that, whenever you are writing for technical subjects, you try to inculcate those points in your mind. So if you have any clarification, do let me know in the comment box. I'm happy to help you. So any other further queries, you can directly mail me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe. If the video is useful to peer members, kindly share with this video with your friends, colleagues, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day also.